You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. Open the trunk. Remove the access flap inside the trunk. Take out the power connector. To do this, push on the small plastic tab and simultaneously pull on the terminal. Identify the plastic wing nut which holds the lights. Unscrew it, turning the nut anti-clockwise. With your hands, pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally, in line with the car.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Remove the light bulb support board by separating the tabs on the holding studs. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.
Put the light back in its housing. Rescrew the wing nut, fixing it in place by hand. Put the electrical connector back together. Close the access flap. Operation completed.